Welcome to Xrero AI Chatbot. Let's dive in. Xrero AI Chatbot puts an AI assistant on your website. A chat bubble visitors click to ask questions and get instant, human-like answers. Sign into Xrero and open AI Chatbot from the Apps menu. The top menu organizes the whole module. The dashboard gives the headline numbers and your most recent conversations at a glance. The 4 cards are clickable. The chart shows the last week's activity, and the recent sessions list opens any conversation. Getting a bot live is 4 short steps. The rest of this manual walks through each in detail. A credential holds your AI provider and its API key, the bot's brain. Xrero supports several providers, so you could choose on price, quality, or data residency. This is the catalog of models your credentials make available, filled by fetch models. Each model shows whether it's a chat model, whether it's vision capable, can read images, and its input-output cost per million tokens, so you can balance quality against price. The chatbot record ties everything together. It has 4 tabs, this and the next 2 chapters. On the AI configuration tab, pick the AI credential and the LLM model, filter to that provider, and write the system prompt, the bot's personality and rules. The Widget Appearance tab controls how the chat bubble looks to visitors and gives you the script to install it. On the Pre-Chat Form tab, turn on Enable Lead Generation to ask visitors for their details before chatting. Choose the target model, a contact or a CRM lead, the fields to collect, name, email, phone, and whether to link or create the record. The knowledge base is what makes the bot answer about your business, not just general knowledge. Upload documents, and the bot reads chunks and indexes them, then answers from them. Choose File Type Product Catalog to teach the bot your products. Optionally limit by category, then click Sync Products. It indexes each product's name, price, stock, category, and description, so the bot can answer do you have and how much is accurately. If your model is vision capable, the bot can describe product images automatically, handy when products lack written descriptions, and understand pictures a visitor sends. On the chatbot's Widget Appearance tab, copy the read-only installation script and paste it into your website's HTML just before the closing/body tag. Visitors see a floating chat bubble. Clicking it opens a window with your bot's avatar, title, and the welcome message. When the bot suggests products, it renders them as clickable product cards, image, name, price, stock, linking straight to the shop page. If lead generation is on, the widget shows a short pre-chat form first. The visitor enters their details, and they're saved as a contact or CRM lead linked to the conversation, so your sales team can follow up even if the chat ends. When a visitor asks for a person, or the bot decides to escalate, the session is flagged waiting for human. Every conversation is stored as a session with all its messages. Open one to read the full transcript and act on it. Wherever a conversation is linked to a person, an AI chat smart button appears on their contact and CRM lead records, so your sales team can read what a prospect asked the bot before they call. Full context, no guesswork. As an advanced option, the bot can answer on WhatsApp via the Meta WhatsApp Business Graph API. A connector stores the phone number ID, access token, and a verify token, and gives you a webhook URL to register in your Meta app. Any internal Xrero user who can open the AI chatbot app can see and manage chatbots, credentials, including API keys, sessions, and knowledge bases. Tips and best practices. When you upload a document, the bot doesn't just read it each time. It splits the text into small chunks, turns each chunk into an embedding, a numeric fingerprint of its meaning, and stores them. The underlying AI models are multilingual, so the bot replies in whatever language the visitor writes in, including Arabic. Glossary. Open the AI credential, click Test Connection, check the key is valid and has credit, Then fetch models and reselect the model in the chatbot. That is Xrero AI Chatbot. Start your free trial today.